Hello everyone and welcome to Cyberove. 2020 is almost over, and every year other YouTubers always make a top 5 Linux distributions video, which is great really. Yet I wanted to make something different here on the channel, and I wanted to share that with you. I'm talking about the most popular Linux distro of 2020, according to distrowatch.com. Yep, it's MX Linux, and I'm gonna show you how to install it in VirtualBox. It will be installed just like any other software on your PC. So speaking of popular stuff, please help this channel be popular and support this small community by subscribing and hitting the like button on this video. And with all that being said, let's get started. We need two things to start our video. First, you need the operating system, and we need the VirtualBox. So first, we get the operating system from the official website, mxlinux.org, and in the download page, you will be able to choose one of three desktop environments. The system comes with XFCE, KDE, or Fluxbox. I'm gonna download it for Fluxbox, for XFCE, and I've downloaded through torrent. You can download it directly. It depends on your internet speed, really. And the second thing we need is VirtualBox, which you can get it from virtualbox.org, their official website. You just hit on the download button here, and it will take you to the downloads page where you choose which operating system you have. So if you have Windows, you download Windows hosts, or OS X, the same. And of course, with all that, let's get started. Just follow up. First, we need to open our VirtualBox and hit New, name our virtual machine, and then it choose the version. So I choose Debian 64 because it's based on Debian, and then the RAM. And I'll leave it as default for the storage. And now you hit settings, you go to storage, and in this CD logo you need to choose the ISO of the operating system that you've downloaded from the official website. And here it is. We're all set to go, and we hit start. You might need to change to choose the ISO again, so I will just choose it from here and hit choose and start. Now we will boot up through the ISO file, and that's the boot menu. You need to choose VirtualBox video since we are running this into VirtualBox, and hit enter. The system will boot up now and take us to the live environment. Here it is, gives you this window, MX welcome. I'm gonna close that now. Let's hover over the menu. See, it comes with a lot of default applications. I have accessories, development, games and graphics, internet, multimedia, like other stuff, yeah, wherever. Yep, now let's open the installer. Can you notice there is not a lot of usage there now yet? So click on the installer and a window should pop up. Yep, just go ahead and click next, and the partitioning just leave it at auto, and yes to confirm. And we need to name our computer. Oopsie, I can't name it with an underscore in it. I choose your location, and here you need to make a user account. So I'll be making one, and you also need to add a root administration account. You need to add a password for that. I really advise for you to make a different one from the default user, a password and make it strong, and hit next. Now all's left is to wait. I'm gonna speed this up. Yep, it's installing Grub now, and done. It will automatically reboot your system now. uh, it's rebooting. You just need to hit enter now, and the system will reboot, and you will be on this menu. Choose the first one, and in a few seconds you will be inside a ready to use operating system, MX Linux, which is based on Debian. That's why I've chose Debian 64, because it's based on Debian. It's really stable. Yep, so all you need is to enter your password so you can log in, and voila. Just hit close, and we need now to install the guest edition CD image from VirtualBox. That will help us. It's like drivers or something. So you just take this file, put it on the desktop, and go to the terminal. In the terminal, I'm gonna be leaving the commands on the video description. So first, just write su, that will make a super user as root, then ls to show the desktop components. Now we need to change the permissions of the file. We used chmod 777, the name of the file, and then we hit dot slash and the name of the file, and type yes and enter. And the VirtualBox guest additions are now installing. It might take a while. Be patient, don't close this window while it's installing. Yep, it's done. Now just clear the space, and we exit. We need to delete this first, so write rm and the name of the file. You can hit tab to fast write, and exit the root administration, and here we go. Now eject the disk, and your system is pretty ready to go. All you need to do is to restart it, and after that we need to do an update and upgrade to your packages. That's the beauty about Linux. You don't need to go to a store, check for any software that you need to update. All you need to do is open your terminal and just write 2 lines of command, and everything will be good to go. So first, let's check the software here. This is the menu. The MX tools are really useful. I really love this section of this operating system. It gives you a lot of options, a lot of helpful tools that will make your life way easy. Yeah, of course, my favorite, the Office, because I love to write. So LibreOffice is awesome. So open your terminal and type sudo apt update, hit enter, type your user password and hit enter. Okay, and those are done. Now after that you need to type sudo apt upgrade to upgrade the packages on your system. I will skip this now, but you should hit Y and hit enter because I don't want to download everything now. I don't have that great internet. Yep, so you hit Y and that's it. That was it for this video. I hope you liked it. Leave your questions in the comments. I'll be answering everything. And don't forget to subscribe and like the video. And thanks for watching.